It says construct a dot plot to display the number of items purchased by a number of randomly chosen customers at a store. The data are, or is, 2, 4, 3, 7, 12, 3, 1, 2, find the 5-number summary. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the first thing they're asking, which is just to construct a dot plot. Now, in order to do that, we want to put them in order. So what's the smallest number? I would say just 0. There's 1, but we could do 0. And then what's the highest number here? Looks like 14. Let's go and do 15, okay? So I'm just going to draw a number line. Like right there. And number them. 0, 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we just go ahead and put X's under each of the numbers. So 2. Cross it out. 4, 3, 7. 4, 3, 7. 12, 3, 1. 12, 3, 1. 5, 6, 3, 4. 5, 6, 3, 4. 2, 4, 3, 7. 2, 4, 3, 7. 14, 10, 3. 14, 10, 3. 5 and 9. 5, 9. And there's our dot plot, right? And again, you could do dots. I like doing the X's. And if we were to like show you what the distribution is, and that would be skewed right. And we could write that right here. I'll just do here. Skewed right. Okay. And I like to think again, if this was a dinosaur, it would be a tail right here. Oops. It'd be a tail. Okay. So skewed right. Now let's look at the next one. Find the 5-number summary of the given data. So we have the data here. The 5-number summary. We'll do it here. Minimum, maximum, median, median. I spelled that wrong. Let's go do med. Lower quartile, which is the same as Q1. Upper quartile, which is the same as Q3. And the median is actually Q2. Quartile 2. So let's go ahead and just find these values. We're not going to create a box and whisker plot yet. We're just going to find the values right now. So the minimum for sure is 0. The maximum, 14. Now for these three here, we need to put the data in order. Okay? So I'm going to do that real quick. I'll do a different color. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 2. All right, so that's all of our data there. Let's go ahead and find the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. 8, 9. It'll be these two numbers right here. This is our median. So you add them up and divide by 2. 4 plus 4 divided by 2 is going to be 8 divided by 2, which is just 4. So our median here is 4. Now, when we do that, we got to break up our data. This way and this way. This is the upper data. Whatever, we'll just put upper. This is the lower. Okay? So find the lower quartile, Q1, we're going to take the median again of the lower data, of this data here. Same thing with the upper quartile, Q3, we're going to find the median again. So let's do lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 3. Upper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be 7. And there's our 5-number summary right here. Okay? So, just a simple example. Again, there's more to these problems that you can do, but for now, it's just construct a dot plot, find the 5-number summary, and that's it. Hope this was helpful. Peace.